When you see a good example of smart home technology in action, it's exciting and it's inspiring, and this house is a very good example indeed. The sensor in the door has informed the house of my arrival, and the living area has come to life. The lighting and the sound have switched on to my ideal settings, the motion sensors for the security system have been disabled, and the blinds are retracting so I can get some of that afternoon sun. All of these actions have happened in unison as I've opened the front door, so very little effort from me. And it's all thanks to Grid Connect. Grid Connect is an ecosystem, a place where smart devices from different manufacturers work together. They talk to each other. Grid Connect is a place where devices just get along. There's no more jumping between different apps with different user interfaces to handle different smart devices. With Grid Connect, everything is in one place, as it should be. So with the opening of one door, or the press of one button, or speaking one command, Grid Connect gets things done. Hey Google, movie time. Inside the Grid Connect app, I've gathered all of my lounge-based smart devices into the room called Lounge. Then by programming different moods or different scenes, I have complete control over the entire space. Each smart device has been paired with the Grid Connect app as an individual. So, for example, the lamp can be turned on or off without affecting anything else. The pendants are connected to the smart switch plate on the wall. They come with 1, 2, 3 or 4 switch spots, which you can control with the Grid Connect app. Or control it with your voice. Hey Google, down lights to 30%. Televisions are getting smarter all the time too. Add an IR blaster to Grid Connect and every button on your remote control is at your vocal command. Hey Google, TV volume 45. If it has the green line on the box, it's Grid Connect, which means it's as easy as download, pair, use. And every day, new products are being added to the range. So, with all of this Grid Connect smarts in your home, you'll have more time. That's a lot to take in, I know, but just have a deep breath, get yourself a socket plug, and you can start enjoying your own home smart home.